In the heart of a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, the harvest season was a time of unity and jubilation. As the sun rose above the horizon, casting a warm glow across the fields, the villagers emerged from their homes with eager anticipation. It was a time of celebration, a time to reap the rewards of their hard work and dedication. The air was filled with the scent of ripe crops and the sound of laughter as families gathered together to begin the day's work. Farmers donned their worn-out hats and sturdy boots, ready to embark on the annual ritual of harvesting. There was a sense of camaraderie among them, a shared understanding of the importance of their labor in sustaining their community. In the fields, rows of golden wheat swayed gently in the breeze, ready to be harvested. With scythes in hand, the farmers worked tirelessly, their movements synchronized in a rhythmic dance of efficiency. Each swing of the scythe was a testament to their strength and resilience, a symbol of their unwavering determination to provide for their loved ones. As the day progressed, the baskets began to fill with the bounty of the land: plump ears of corn, bushels of vibrant vegetables, and bundles of fragrant herbs. The fields echoed with the sound of laughter and conversation as neighbors lent a helping hand to one another, embodying the true spirit of community. In the heart of the village, the marketplace bustled with activity as vendors proudly displayed their harvests. The air was alive with the sounds of bargaining and the sweet melody of traditional folk songs. Children ran through the streets with faces painted with joy, their laughter a symphony of happiness that reverberated through the village square. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the landscape, the villagers gathered together for a feast unlike any other. Tables groaned under the weight of delicious dishes made from the day's bounty, each bite a testament to the fruits of their labor. There were songs and dances, stories shared around the fire, and a sense of gratitude that permeated the air. In that moment, as they sat together beneath the starlit sky, the villagers knew that they were not just celebrating a successful harvest, but also the bonds that held them together as a community. For in the fields and in the marketplace, they had found not just prosperity, but also joy, friendship, and the true meaning of gratitude.